As a tech analyst, I've spent the last 5 years taking apart complex software systems to see how they actually tick. This visual representation shows abstract shapes rapidly organizing themselves into a predictable, repeating geometric pattern. This is exactly what artificial intelligence is doing. It is software playing a massive, high-speed game of pattern recognition. You hear acronyms like LLM thrown around. Think of those like a giant autocomplete engine on your phone, just guessing the next word. But the real issue isn't the confusing vocabulary. It's that nagging feeling in the back of your mind that you might lose control of your own career trajectory to a machine. This diagram shows a 3-slot tool belt, with each slot holding a distinct geometric icon. AI works like this. It's a tool belt holding 3 very different types of software. Categorizing AI into these 3 buckets moves it from an intimidating mystery to a specific set of tools you can actually direct. It provides a way to look at the technology from the perspective of the person holding the hammer. This diagram highlights the first slot on our tool belt, expanding to show a targeted laser focusing on a single, isolated data point. We call this narrow AI, or the specialist. It uses math to spot patterns so it can finish one specific type of work. We saw this laser-focused approach back in 1997 when it faced off against human mastery. This is Garry Kasparov, one of the greatest chess champions in history. This is the Deep Blue supercomputer cabinet that defeated him. This massive machine accomplished a monumental feat, but it evaluated chess positions and nothing else. It couldn't play checkers, and it couldn't tell you a joke. Today, you use these single-purpose specialists all the time. When your email filters out spam, or your phone unlocks by scanning your face, that is narrow AI doing its one specific job. This version of AI is predictable because its abilities are strictly confined to its programmed boundaries. It has no way to interact with anything outside that specific lane. The explosion of technology in the 2020s came from the second tool on our belt, generative AI, or the creator. Here, you are seeing a blank digital canvas erupt with swirling colors that rapidly form into a highly detailed landscape. This animation shows a simplified neural network branching out, where nodes light up in a sequence to predict and form a recognizable shape. The software studies billions of examples and uses that historical data to guess the next logical piece of the puzzle. When you apply that guessing mechanism to natural language, you get systems that write human-like text responses, like what you see on the ChatGPT welcome screen on your smartphone. Apply that exact same predictive logic to visual data, and you can generate entire images from a simple text prompt. You can see this happening on the Midjourney website with its ASCII spiral logo. This diagram visualizes a typing cursor, where abstract blocks of data rapidly snap into place ahead of the text. This is the reality of generative AI. It acts as the world's most advanced autocomplete engine, predicting what should come next. While narrow AI analyzes existing data, this second tool uses those patterns to synthesize completely new outputs. That means your job shifts. You are no longer the manual operator typing every word or drawing every line. You are the executive editor reviewing the drafts. This glowing, futuristic corner office is completely empty, and that symbolizes the third tool on our belt, artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Think of this as the general contractor. This technology does not currently exist. To fill that seat, a system would need the ability to learn and execute any job a person can do, moving seamlessly from writing code to composing music to planning a marketing strategy. Right now, corporate entities are investing billions of dollars trying to turn this theoretical concept into a reality, starting with the developers behind the OpenAI logo. And they are racing against competing tech giants, like the teams operating under the Google DeepMind logo, all pushing toward that same hypothetical milestone. Because AGI is strictly a future concept, you can focus your energy on mastering the 2 tools that are actually sitting on your workbench today. Remember, any AI system is entirely built on historical data. It can only look backward. That means you, the human operator, are the only source of intent, direction, and actual creativity in the room. If you want to explain this to someone else, this text animation spells it out clearly. Narrow AI does the math. Generative AI drafts the blueprint, but humans still have to build the house. Treat artificial intelligence as a collection of specialized tools ready for your specific instructions. Master the tool that helps your work the most and start giving those instructions today.